Hello everybody, and welcome to the Two Ravens Detective Agency. And what we do is we solve mysteries. And you ask how we do that? Well, each month the Deadbolt Mystery Society will send us a different murder mystery in a box. This month is Behind the Wall, and using our logic and reason, solving puzzles, reading through newspaper clippings, looking at the evidence in the box, we have to solve the murder. And today I'm going to be unboxing this to let you see what's inside. So let's get started. I haven't opened this one yet either, so I don't know what's inside. Okay. We start with a card. And up here it has a little thing that you will scan, and that will take you to a website that will give you a puzzle or a clue or something about the murder. Here is a Start Here guide that tells you how to solve the mystery, sort of. Gives you like little clues on what to go to first, things like that. We have a puzzle with some matches that we will have to solve. Oh, this must be a newspaper or something. It's the Valley Falls Observer. Looks like it's a collector's card. Let's see what that is. This says, beginning brief, welcome to Fairmont Estates. Looks like a neighborhood on the top, so it must be something about maybe like a neighborhood place. We have some cards. These are usually the suspects and everybody that's has something to do with the murder mystery. This is from the detective agency in the town. These are some of their notes that we will have to read to solve another puzzle. I recommend reading a good book and a burger and taking the red eye. Don't know what that means. We'll have to find out. Here's somebody that's missing. There's another thing to scan. Here is a postcard. Don't know what that means. Win burgers for a year. Another puzzle that we will have to solve online. Okay, somebody must be hungry. I'm talking about our burgers. Oh, here is a tape recorder. It says play me. So I'm sure we'll scan this and it will play us a message. Marge's thoughts behind the wall. Something else we will read and see what it says. USB drive. On the back we will scan it and see what was on the drive. More thoughts from Marge. It must be a book. Person here's a list of books. Here is some doors to the basement of a house. So I'm sure we will have to scan this to probably try to solve a puzzle to find out what the combination of the lock is. Help. Whoever finds me, the Fairmont residents all have secrets. So this must be a letter from somebody. We have a little library in the neighborhood. Another thing to scan. Here is a puzzle we will have to solve. I don't know if this is a puzzle or just a card or what this is. Here is a list of people who own houses in Fairmont Estates and their lot numbers. Oh, we're getting evil. Look at that. We have star. Don't know what it is. We'll find out. Another puzzle to solve. Welcome to Fairmont Estates. So that will be a puzzle we will have to solve to get the combination to go inside. Family First at Fairmont Estates. So that's going to be another puzzle. Lots of puzzles to solve. Another puzzle. What could it be under? And once you solve who the killer is, here is a little thing that you scan and you go to and you type in the name of the killer to see if you're right. Here is a map of where each of the suspects live in the estates. We have a receipt where somebody went and got a burger to eat. You get those free burgers for life. Shed behind the house, once again with a combination lock. And we have 3D glasses. I wonder what that has to do with the murder. Well, that's it in this month's box. I'm going to go see if I can catch the killer, and I will be back and let you know if I do. Okay, I looked through the murder mystery box, and this month we're solving the murder of a journalist who went missing. She was found in the wall of an old abandoned house. She had been covering a story about 4 girls who had gone missing. So that's our murder mystery that we're going to try to solve this month.